Yo, welcome to another video. I have a whole bunch of new stuff in the garage. A lot of it's baby stuff because Tiffany is very pregnant. But we're not gonna worry about the baby stuff right now. We're gonna talk about how I mounted my 360 camera to my bike, even though I don't have any really good mounting points. So if you look at Tiffany's bike, she has these bars that you can grip onto very easily with the clamps that you can get from Amazon, DJI, Insta360, whatever. But my bike, since I don't have any rear pegs and my exhaust is kind of hung on by a flat surface, it's really tough. So what I actually did was I drilled holes in my exhaust bracket and I put a pipe in there. It's not permanent. I'm gonna get a different pipe, different color, tape it so it's more secure and has more grip. But basically I put bolts through this bracket, double nutted it on this side, and then I have it attached here and I have it attached here, and it's super tight. This thing does not fall off. You can look super sturdy, right? And then my camera goes right here and it comes up. It can go super tall, it can go way longer than that, but just for visual example. Don't mind Squirtle, he's just hanging out. Getting super dirty from my tires, probably bouncing right there. But the other day I was riding and I actually had too much weight from the camera and it was slipping. So it was bringing this down and hitting the tire, and it's actually kind of melted right there. So I made sure to take the weight off of that. And then I need to get my face mount for my helmet, but I need to go through chin mounts to do that since it's a weird surface. But after I get all that done, I'm thinking about ordering some carbon fiber pieces for this bike because it comes with this carbon fiber, and then what else is carbon fiber on here? I have the carbon fiber exhaust, that doesn't count. I think that's actually all this Misano edition comes with, but I'm gonna start doing a bunch of carbon. Might get this cover here carbon. Might do, I don't know, tank, undertail carbon, 2 pieces. Need to replace this because it's cracked right here. You can see that. I don't want to expose myself, but yeah, that looks bad. So with Tiffany's bike, I'm not really sure what she wants to do with it. She kind of likes it how it is. We did the exhaust already. Sounds great. Maybe a tune. A tune would be cool. But yeah, just a little quick update about what's going on in the garage. Season's changing, so jet ski season's coming. I still need to do the dual exhaust on this one, the single exhaust on the yellow one, and then I have a bunch more coming for the truck, bunch more coming for the car. But recently, since the weather's been changing, birds have been coming in. Birds have been flying in my engine bay in my truck, coming through these folds and flying up there and building nests. It's so stupid, but whatever. And the car, battery's dead, so I need a new battery. Oh well. Whole bunch to come though. Don't look at the messy garage, it's messy as hell. Barbecuing the other day, made some burgers, they were fire, ass Tiff. But yeah, check in with me soon. New stuff coming. Say hello to the dogs.